Hebei HONGJISHUNDA Steel Structure Engineering Company Limited was established in 2000, mainly engaged in the design, installation, and manufacturing of steel structure construction projects, steel structure warehouses, workshops, storage sheds, poultry houses, steel structure houses, covering an area of 52,000 square meters, with a registered capital of 100 million yuan. We are located in Shijiazhuang, Jinzhou City, with convenient transportation. Our experienced employees are committed to strict quality control and attentive customer service, and can discuss your requirements at any time to ensure complete customer satisfaction. In addition, we have also obtained the ISO 9001 certificate. Our products sell well in provinces and cities across China and are also exported to customers in countries and regions such as Australia, Africa, Brazil, Asia, and the Middle East. All of our products strictly comply with customs requirements in terms of size data, usage, and other aspects. We use the most advanced technology at every step to reduce costs, improve structural durability, and combine excellent practices in inventory and raw material procurement to achieve cost effectiveness. We have a professional design, production, and construction team, combining advanced integration concepts. We provide customers with integrated services from design to installation. We pay attention to every detail, ensure the quality, and create advanced building products. Whether selecting completed projects from our partners or seeking engineering assistance for your construction plan, you can discuss your procurement requirements with our customer service center.